Hi and welcome back once again to my channel, Dakti for You. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this simple and delicious Ghanaian light soup. Yeah, this soup can be paired with a lot of food. So let's get into this recipe. So here in a saucepan I have my goat meat and my chicken meat. Yes, we are using goat and chicken for this recipe, guys. If you haven't tried this mixture, give it a try and you will love it. So go ahead and add in your chopped onions and salt. Then cover it for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you go ahead and you add in your blended ginger, garlic, onions, rosemary, anise. Add it to it, and then you add in your favorite seasoning. So what I just sprinkle in there is some mixture of my natural spice mix. So use the seasoning that you love. So go ahead and add in your green chili sauce. Yes, so this is the trick, adding your green chili sauce mixture. I have a recipe on how I make this chili sauce, so you can look it up. So after you add that in, go ahead and then add in your tomato paste. So add the tomato paste and then stir everything in and cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So after about 8 minutes, add in your fresh tomatoes, squash, yellow squash, cucumber. So what is there is cucumber, and your onion and your fresh habanero pepper. So let that one cook for additional 8 to 10 minutes, or when it's soft, that you can blend. So at this time it's about 10 minutes, and then I'm taking all the veggies out and we are going to blend them, and then we will bring it back in. So please, if you are here and you have watched at this time to this time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So at this time, taste for salt and then adjust your seasoning. I found out that my soup needed a little bit of salt, so I added that one in. And at this time we are going to add in our blended mixture. So you can just go ahead and add it in straight, or you can decide to strain it. It's your option, so do what is best for you. As I always say, this is my recipe, and you can always add or take something that you don't add from the recipe. It's up to you. So at this time, strain everything in and then add more water to your desired level and lower your heat to medium and let this cook. So this is it. This is the level that I want. If you want it too thick, don't add too much water. If you want it light, you add more water. So at this time too, taste for seasoning and then add your final seasoning if you think you need more seasoning. So this is it. Just look at the soup. It's so nice. It was going down very well, going very well. So at this time you can decide to add some okra, which is optional. You can add okra, garden eggs to it. It's optional. It's absolutely optional. So I love okra, so I went ahead to add in more okra and some more habanero pepper for extra heat. So at this time the soup was all getting ready. Look at it. It has been on fire for about 40 minutes now, and this is how it's looking like. So at this time the soup is all ready to be eaten. Yes, so we are going to have this with fufu. I love fufu. You can have this with rice, yam, gari. Drink it like that. Eat it with bread, but I'm having mine with fufu. So thank you all so much for watching. God